Okay, class. Today we're gonna be singing a song about a bad person. Can we, Timothy, and Jack sing a song? Shooting mcqueen. Let's go ahead. Well, class, I can't believe you sang pop these. Good job. You have 5 years off. Go home now. No. How dare you sing a song about Diesel? That's it. You're getting expelled. Oh, Doc Hudson. How dare you say that? That's it. Go to the office now. No, 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 no. So, Doc Hudson, why are you here? I've been mean to Timothy, Lightning Queen, and Jack for singing Pop Goes the Diesel. Oh. Doc Hudson, how dare you've been mean to Jack McQueen, Lightning Queen, and Timothy. That's it. Go home now. I'm calling your parents. No.
Hudson, how dare you mean to Lightning, mcqueen, Jack, and Timothy? Thus you're grounded. You're ruined now.
No.